Good morning and warm greetings to the organizers of Edera Africa Hackathon. We are a team of students from Madagascar excited to present our project today. In Africa, many regions face limited access to reliable energy and water. The frequent power outages and water shortages hinder economic development and makes daily life difficult for millions of people. But to address this problem, we create a sulfur project that optimizes the use of solar energy and facilitates access water. And not just that, with FloW, we offer an innovative, accessible, and sustainable solutions to optimize and improve daily life and supports local development. But before we dive in, it's worth mentioning beforehand that our projects focus on artificial intelligence and decentralized physical infrastructures. And also, I would like to take a moment to present our team. Our team consists of 7 students, and now we will share a brief overview of each of them. Now, we will first explore the world of our project. First of all, as already mentioned and as we can see now, HelioSol flow comes from the combination of two words, HelioSol and flow. HelioSol representing solar energy and flow emphasizes that the project is also about water. Anyway, this project is our answer to the continent's greatest energy challenge that how to empower every African community to manage and trade its own energy and water. HelioSol Flow is more than a technological project. It's a community revolution caused with this project. Every solar panel, every water pump, and every piece of data becomes a building block of a decentralized network managed by the communities themselves. And every African village can produce, consume, and trade its own energy and water without intermediaries. As you can see on this slide, many challenges across Africa are still not fully addressed, even with the many centralized networks in place. This highlights the need for a shift in the African model. That's exactly why we are introducing our solution HelioSol Flow, a decentralized network designed to address these challenges. So, how can we implement this solution? As we can see, anyone can combine solar microgrids and small water micro pumps within the local infrastructure. It's not only about energy providers, but also about how each country manages the trade of both energy and water. This is where the Edera blockchain plays a key by enabling a peer-to-peer economy. And also, Edera blockchain ensures secure, transparent, and traceable transaction and exchange of tokens representing energy and water. In addition, the integration of artificial intelligence allows us to predict production and consumption, ensuring a sustainable balance and predicts needs based on climate. By IoT, its sensors measure production and consumption in real time. Not just that, but with HelioSol Flow, we can use mobile app which ties everything together, providing residents with a clear interface to monitor and trade manage their resources. Therefore, all of this clearly demonstrates that HelioSol Flow transforms every village into an energy actor. Based on that, what concrete impacts could this project bring to African countries? Primarily, villages become producers, not just the consumers. By this project, we reduce energy costs, cut carbon emissions, and create new local economy opportunities. Then every little pumped and every kilowatt shared contributes to a fairer future. And most importantly, HelioSol Flow is more than just a technology. It's an empowerment helping everyone to build a sustainable business model. Also, such as this, each village can sell its surplus energy and water directly to its neighbors via Ether tokens. A local economy is also created. Each energy asset in the country is represented through a tokenization system. Not just but with the HelioSol Flow, NGOs, government, and private investors can support and reward productive communities. Thus, HelioSol Flow is a sustainable, inclusive, and transparent model. To wrap up this slide, it is a summary that outlines what sets the HelioSol Flow project apart. Our project adopts a distinctive approach that integrates multiple dimensions to effectively address the challenges of electricity and water access in the Africa context. Firstly, HelioSol is an energy and water innovation. For example, our solar system not only supplies all the world with electricity, but also power water pumping and purification systems. It's also based on innovative use of Ether blockchain, IoT, and mobile app. Using to an innovative educational initiatives like teaching communities about efficient energy and water use. On HelioSol Flow, it's also possible using local materials which reduce costs and stimulate local economy. Moreover, the project is grounded in a creative economics model like crowdfunding models, which also lets community members to invest in microgrids to earn profits and reduce electricity costs. Not only that, but it's also crucial that everyone can benefit from this project thanks to its affordable pricing models. In addition, the project trains members for sustainable works and values each individual's need as the community's voice. Lastly, HelioSol Flow includes feedback mechanism and impact measurement, which helps to establish the project's impact on electricity and water and continuous improvement. Brief, Aquasolar envisions a future where every village is a producers, sellers, and innovators. Aquasolar is not just a project, it's a movement. Our ambition goes beyond a simple prototype. What we are building today is a model of autonomy for future generations.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for the presentation. So let's continue with the demonstration. As we know before, HelioSol is a water and energy decentralized application. But afterward, it's not really a simple decentralized application. It's a community. It's a solution for Africa. Let's talk about the mission, our solution, and more and more. Let's get started. So let's continue. We are going to connect wallet using the Hashpack application by a QR code. So we are going to connect the application. After pairing, the application is connected and should be redirected to the dashboard. So we have a dashboard that there is the available energy, the available water, the transaction, the active village. We have also a prediction for the solar forecast, for the water forecast too, and expected demand. We are here the quantity of our wallet. So let's see the energy section. Energy section is here we can monitoring our solar production and consumption in real time. We have the number of the operational active panels. We have the battery levels, the solar weather. We have here the available energy with the capacity, and it is updated on real time. Here we can do a transaction of a energy. So let's trade. We are going to sell one quantity of energy. So we are going to wait for this transaction until it is done. After the transaction of the energy is done, we can do the same thing on the water. We can sell water to here and sell, and we have the pump statue, we have the tank level and the water quality with the pH for the water. We have the available water also updated in real time. Here we can see the transaction, the history of a transaction that was made by the whole village in a few moments. We can here view the analytics, we can hear the different location of the village, the user of the application and the setting of the application, that it's still in development because we don't have enough time to build everything, but it is a good perspective application. Thank you for watching the demonstration.
HelioSol can significantly improve access water and reduce cost energy and support the communities that need sustainable and autonomous systems. HelioSol is not just a project, it's a vision for a cleaner, safer, for more resilient future. And then we warmly invite you to adopt and support this project as it offers a forward-thinking and impactful challenges that affect us all. We hope HelioSol inspires you as much as it inspires us. Thank you for your attention and your interest in HelioSol. Bye!